So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to save chat history on Zoom. So first of all, you guys will need to open your Zoom desktop application and then you guys will need to join a meeting, or even you can start your own by selecting this button right here. Now guys, after getting into the meeting, select this button and you can see this 3 dot more option available in your bottom line. Now just select this and you can see this chat option right here. Now just select it and you can type whichever you want right here. And now you want to save this chat history. So what you need to do is just select this 3 dot button right here. Now select it and you can see this save button option right here. Now just select this option. And now you guys can see that we have successfully saved our chat in our computer. So after selecting this show in folder button, you guys can see the chat now has been saved into our computer, and you guys can see your chat right here. And just like that, you guys can be able to save your chat history on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.